Hello, I'm Tim Lichtenberg from the University of Oxford, and I invite you to the next European Astrobiology Institute seminar. The seminar will cover how the geophysical evolution of rocky planetesimals and protoplanets during planetary formation influences the structural evolution and bulk composition of rocky, potentially Earth-like planets to first order. In the solar system, these internal evolutionary processes are recorded today in the core formation ages we obtain from meteorites, in the elemental and isotopic dichotomy between the dry, low-mass inner solar system and the volatile rich and massive outer solar system. Exoplanet surveys show that the abundance deviations across planetary systems dwarf the compositional differences within the solar system. Because planetary systems form together with usually hundreds or thousands of stars, the initial conditions of the birth star-forming environment can lead to order of magnitude changes in the planetary content of radioactive isotopes that are fused in massive stars. I will discuss how the initial budget of these radioactive elements, specifically short-lived radioactive elements with half-lives comparable to the accretion timescale, crucially alter the water and carbon content of forming planets and therefore influence the long-lived climate and surface state of terrestrial to super-Earth-sized exoplanets. Upcoming constraints on the redox and climate state of select rocky planets from exoplanet surveys will give us opportunity to test the main channels of volatile fractionation. I will end with an outlook on how specifically high temperature, potentially molten exoplanets present a unique window into the planetary environment that enabled the origins of life as we know it on our own world.